Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix battery not charging past 80% limit on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on battery. Then tap on battery health and charging. Next, go down and tap on charging optimization and then select optimize battery charging, or you can select none. Now so here, to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Sometimes you might not want to wait and you want to fully charge your phone to 100% so that you can go out and do whatever you need to do outside while you do not have a charger with you. So select either none and then choose turn off until tomorrow, or you can choose optimize battery charging. And that's it. That will help to eliminate the issue with your battery charging won't go past the 80% limit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.